Good morning, children. It's time for today's EVS class. We are doing the 11th chapter, Valley of Flowers. Today's subtopic is Floral Designs. The targeted learning outcomes of today's class are to understand the concept of patterns, to know about the floral designs, to know about Madhubani art. The competencies covered here are observation and identification. Before starting today's class, let us quickly revise your previous knowledge about the patterns. Children, you have learnt about patterns in the maths classes. Look at the picture here. Here are some pictures of patterns. But how do you know that they are patterns? Look at the first one. A circle, then triangle. Again a circle, then triangle. The same thing is repeated again and again. And we are able to know what will come next. So in the first one, what will come next? It will be a triangle. So in a pattern, there is a definite rule. Look at the second one. Laughing face, then smiling face. The same thing is repeated. So what will come next? It will be a laughing face. In the third one, there is a triangle, then two hexagons. Again a triangle, then two hexagons. So what will come next? Next, here there will be a hexagon. So, a pattern is an arrangement of shapes following a definite rule. Look here, two more patterns. First one is a pattern of white and red zigzag lines, whereas the second one is a pattern of black and white straight lines. Look here, the picture of your school uniform. Can you see a pattern here also? Yes, there is a pattern. Here you can see the pattern of blue, white and red stripes. Look at the picture carefully. Here also there is a pattern, but the patterns are flower designs. A design or art with patterns of flowers is called a floral design. We can see floral designs in many things around us. Look here, the picture of floral designs in bed sheets and curtains. Here, floral designs in clothes. Floral designs are also there in utensils and pots. Look here, you can see the floral design on the wall. Children, do you know that painting on the walls of houses is a folk art of India? Look here, the map of state Bihar. Here, the yellow marked place is a district of Bihar named Madhubani. Look here, the picture of Madhubani art. Madhubani art is a folk art of Madhubani district of Bihar. Madhubani art is about 2500-year-old folk art. The Madhubani paintings is said to have originated during the time of Ramayana when King Janak asked an artist to capture his daughter Sita's wedding to Prince Rama. Madhubani paintings are drawn during festivals and happy occasions on the walls and courtyards. The paintings of Madhubani art show human beings, animals, trees, flowers, birds, etc. Do you know that Madhubani art colors are all natural colors? Madhubani art colors are made of paste of rice powder mixed with colors made from haldi, neel, flowers and leaves. Look here, the picture of the indigo or neel plant. The flowers of this plant are used to make indigo or neel color. So children, today you have learned that a design or art with patterns of flowers is called a floral design. Madhubani art is a folk art of Madhubani district of Bihar. Madhubani art is a 2500-year-old folk art. Madhubani paintings are drawn during festivals and happy occasions on the walls and courtyards. The paintings of Madhubani art show human beings, animals, trees, flowers, birds, etc. Madhubani art colors are made of paste of rice powder mixed with colors made from haldi, neel, flowers and leaves. So children, with this we come to an end of the chapter 11, the Valley of Flowers. Today, you write down the answers of these questions. Number 1, draw any floral design using your own creativity and color it. Question number 2, write 5 lines about Madhubani art. That's all in today's class. Thank you.